Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I did this very beautiful simple makeup. I have styled it with different wig and a turban, so that way you can tell it's the easiest makeup to style. So let's get started. Before you do your makeup, please do your hair first. As you can see, I have already laid my edges down. Obviously I'm going to be wearing a wig, but just do your hair first before you apply your foundation. So as you can see here, I am actually applying my powder foundation first. I use the NYX foundation, and because the reason why I have a very oily skin, so you put the powder makeup first to kind of keep the makeup looking dry. Yes, I have tried some matte primer, it doesn't work. For my liquid foundation, I am using MAC. This is the only expensive makeup that I use. Everything else is pretty cheap. So as you can see, I'm dabbing the makeup in my face. I am not like pressing the brush too much on my face. I am like dabbing the brush, like, you know. So pretty much be gentle, because your face, I don't know, take care of your face. So just apply the makeup very gentle. Don't like rub it in like you're scrubbing some kind of other stuff. So yes, because your edges are already laid down, it allows you to apply the makeup even on top of your edges because it's already dry. Yes, don't forget to go on your neck and your ears. So you want to make your makeup to be even. Yeah. For my eyebrows, I am using the makeup, like the brush, to kind of brush it up first. Yes, you need that first. This eyebrow pencil I'm using, it is from the dollar store. It is $1. You all know I'm cheap, so yeah. I'll be doing a video on how I find really cheap brand. I'm gonna actually upload that video this week. Y'all will love it. So I'm applying the, you know, like the regular eyebrows routine. You know, apply it in, and then you're gonna blend it in. Yeah, all the extra stuff. Use the brush to blend in your eyebrows, because you don't want to make it look like you just draw on your eyebrows. That's just not cute. It's not cute, honey, it's not. So most people usually use concealer that's very lighter shade to like clean up their eyebrows. I actually use my liquid foundation to clear out my eyebrows, because sometimes I feel like most people, it's hard for them to use the concealer because you can see the concealer and it's just kind of hard for you to blend in. So in this video, I'm actually using my own foundation, so that will kind of help you out to, you know, to make it a little easier on you. And obviously my concealer, I'm using the Pro Concealer that everybody uses. It's very affordable, it's cheap. It was $2 at the hair store, your drugstore. You can find this really cheap, good stuff. I'm using my beauty blender. I did wet the beauty blender first before I dab it in. Then afterwards, I go over with my powder foundation with my brush. And here for the eyes, I am using this very cheap makeup that I got from Ross. It is, yeah, I'm going to show you guys about this on my next video where I buy this eye palette. And this for my eye pencil, this is Maybelline. I think it was $2 also, it was pretty cheap. And my eyeliner I'm using right here was also $2. I think it's also Maybelline, but again, I went to a very cheap store to get it. It's all about that cheap life, you already know. I'm using my foundation to kind of make everything even. And I'm using my lashes right now. This lash, I don't know how much it was, but it was not very expensive either. It's like the basic lash. So yeah, you can still do your makeup on the low and still look good. I'm using the gold makeup to put on my eye crease. And I put the gold on my nose bridge because I want to give it that effect, like it's popping kind of thing. You already know. And of course, you do your setting spray. You're gonna set this makeup up. And obviously, use your fancy fan, which for me is my little, I don't know where I got that stuff from, but make sure your makeup is dry. And I'm not really using a lipstick on this video. I am actually just using my lip gloss because I love lip gloss. Something about it just makes me look like, I don't know, I just look so fly. So there it is, it's all done. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. As always, subscribe, like, and follow me on social media. I miss you guys. I will see you guys on my next video. You guys don't forget to watch that video and subscribe. Bye bye.